Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the Chota CSS. It's a micro framework for web developers. In previous video I talked about the skeleton CSS responsive boilerplate. So in this Chota CSS framework, it's a very small framework, less than 3 KB, and in Hindi Chota means small, and the features of this framework is very good, like it is super lightweight, just 3 KB, it is minified and gzipped. Also it has no preprocessor, so you can just plug it in and play with it. It has the 12 column grid, uh, like this grid, and the grid system is the fluid system, like with a max of 120 rem, like 1200 pixel, and which is shrinks with the viewport, and you can change it by the grid max width in the root. So like you can wrap your content with container to center it on the page. Also it is flexible, like you can add the row container and row container, and as many as column you want to add. And other features, like it has some handful of components and utilities. The components, if we talk about the component, it has the grid, buttons, navbar, card, tag and utilities. The like the cards are the thing that it's a small portion of small portion of component where you can put your text or images, and which is not available in the skeleton CSS, and you can invoke it from the class. Like if you mention it card, so the uh, card is available in here. Also you can customize it with with the CSS. Also it has the tag, like you can tag anything. If you write a post on a topic, and there you can write tags. Also it has some utilities, like there is the text primary, text light, text white, and also there is the text dark. So after that we have some background, like primary, background light and background dark. And these are the thing, like if you want to make an element full screen, there is this element is full screen. To make a full width, there is full width utility. And if you want a drop down menu, so just you need to edit with a drop down and it will make the work. It is very much advanced from the skeleton CSS. Like the skeleton CSS um, is just a boilerplate, where this micro framework Chota is like full pack, and all the components which you find in the bootstrap you can find it here, with some great colored buttons also. And it has a good semantics, like you can easily understand it, how to write it. And out of the box it has the dark mode switch. Everyone loves the dark mode, so dark mode you can get instantly from the from this framework. And it support icons, like you get the icons from the iconogram. These are some great thing that you can get icons as a bonus. If you want to check out their GitHub repository, uh, just you need to click the GitHub, and after that you can clone their repository and contribute them. Also if you want to do some shout out, you can tweet about them. Also you can open some issues, like if you want some features, you can easily tweet by open a new issue and describe your problem or features. After that we can do some live coding, so you can understand it easily, that uh, how can you do it in real life. or your coding practice. So I use the CodePen IO, so I can share the pen with you and you can modify it or do something that whatever you want. So for CodePen is a collaborative also to make your skill better. So after that you just need to make a head tag, and therefore to add to use it you need to just copy this line, and after that you need to paste it here, and after it you need to just add this head. So now you can easily use it. So in the body tag you need, like, if you want some, let's do some work, like I need a container class, so I just do it, like I just specify it with container, so it does the container stuff for me. A container is a specified element where you can put the great thing. Like now I add a button, so for this I just need to specify the button with a class primary button. You can see it lively, so let's make it submit. You, as you see that now it changes. So if we change it, like if we need some other color button, we can do it. So like we need to add this button portion from we can check the dock as much as you want. So basically it's too much flexible to use, like it's a lot of class where you can use it. Also you can use it without using button. So I am now use the dark one, so let's make it button dark button. And let's do some more, like build a navigation bar. To build a navigation bar you need to copy this code and paste it here. It has pre-built nav bar also, so it's a great thing to use. Now like it's pre-compiled and it's a nav bar. As you can see that it has a nav bar, like it's a nav bar. Now the like the card, to build a card you just specify the card tag, so it will be easy to build a card. So this is the card. It is a card to, like if you want to make it more better, you can use this style portion. So on this card, like, so after that pop you can specify the width of 50 pixel and height of 50 pixel. I take it and no change. So I think it's not working. I think it need to be make it wrap in a division, but in this way you can use all of its component, and you can easily integrate with your project easily. Like it's just a very small framework and handy tool to use, better than the skeleton framework. Also skeleton is a simplified framework. Like if you want to more control over the css, then you can use skeleton. And chota is like, it's a full-fledged framework with some great component which you can use in your project. So that's all for today. So thank you very much for hearing me, and please like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you any feedback, so you can put it in comment, and I give you a task like you build some page that have a basic button and a form. So I think you can do it easily with this. So that's the thing. Thank you very much, and I end the video here.